is that something different?
So the tenets of sales is about basic selling skills, right? The
Oh,
basic selling skills. I am a firm believer, and this has been proven over many years of doing this myself and teaching clients. When you master the basics, you're
okay.
going to be fundamentally, wildly successful. So, what do I mean by the fundamentals? Okay. So, the fundamentals of selling, right? You have to learn how to ask questions in a conversational manner because you're having a conversation. You're not interrogating anybody, right? So, you need to be conversational, right? You need to understand if this person is a prospect of yours. You have to qualify them. Okay.
I just all connected just then.
Okay.
That all connected, right? Just those two steps. So, okay, keep on going. 'Cause that's I'm sure I cut you off, but all of a sudden this connected for me. So go ahead.
Okay. So once you qualify them and you that means that they're interested. That qualifiers means my product and service could be a good fit for them. And they acknowledge that. Okay. So now the next phase of that is figuring out what problems are they having that they want to fix today? Not 6 months from now, but today, because I need to eat tomorrow. So,
Right.
what problems do they have that they want to fix immediately? That they have to fix immediately, otherwise, it does bad things to their business. Okay. What happens, and this is all the basics of selling. Once you've identified some problem areas that they want to fix immediately, then you can talk about how your product or service would eliminate or minimize those problems. Okay. Once they say yes, Thomas, that sounds like that would do it. Then you say, this is in the proposal process or the solution meeting. This is how much of investment you're going to have to make with my services to minimize that problem.
Okay, okay. So find them,
Yep.
qualify them,
Yep.
find
Close
the
them.
problem, and
Yep.
solve it.
Exactly. See, once again,
Once
easy and
again, yeah.
simple.
Yeah, once you said the first two steps, it all crystallized for me. And
Right.
I see now why you call it the tenet of sales. Because
Yeah.
what we're doing is just, hey, figure out this other stuff. Find them, make sure there are customers you want to work with. I read a book a while back, talked about every one of your customers should be that red carpet customer. You want them on the red carpet. If you don't
Right.
want them there, don't even talk with them.
Exactly.
So, but qualify them, red carpet them, and then see what the problem is, and then solve the problem.
Absolutely.
Wow. Wow. So does that fall under your secret sauce? When I saw that, I said, oh, what is the secret sauce? Does that fall under the secret sauce or is there something else there?
So the secret sauce is in the follow up, right?
Uh-oh.
The
Yeah.
follow up. See, because here's what happens, Glenn. You and I have a great meeting. We do it. Everything looks wonderful. Say to you, Glenn, this sounds really great. Let's get back together, or get back to me in a week or two.